Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna make a new gaming gadgets and accessories for today. So here it goes, guys. So here are some of my gaming gadgets and accessories and how I keep it organized also. So today I'm gonna show to you how I keep it or how I keep it organized, all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna start up with this. One. Okay, I'm gonna start up. So here it goes. So here in this okay so here in this box pouch is also where I put my joy grip. This is also this is the Skull and Co joy grip. So as you can see, there's a logo of the Skull and Co, right? And this is the Eevee and Pikachu edition. Okay, this is the Eevee and Pikachu edition. So be careful of taking be careful if you want to take this off, is because it is so sharp and edgy. So right, I think right here. So I try to take it off, but unfortunately my got right. So, but this is a good one also, Skull and Co. So really like to have this also right here. So this is the Skull and Co. Skull and Co joy grip. So next is we got some also right here, some extra split pad pro compact. Okay, this is the split pad pro compact, and this is also a great one also. And then this one is Pikachu. So I have the another one is the Arceus, which is I put them in the carrying case of the Switch, the Nintendo Switch. Also this is a nice one also. And then how I put and organize this one over there. So and another is also right here is also the extra. Okay, this is the medium one. I think this is the large. Okay, and then also got the blue one. Right here is the blue one for my Switch Lite. Right, this is the for the Nintendo, for the Switch Lite is Skull and Co. This is for the Skull and Co Switch Lite hand grip. Okay, so where do I put this one? This is also I have to put this over right here, and then after that putting that Skull and Co joy grip right there, and then gonna be good to go. And then here it goes, where I put all of my some additional accessories. And this pouch is also good. It is also good and also very good, and also nice one pack right here, nice one pouch right over there. So okay, so I'm gonna step aside it first. Okay, so next is gonna go right here is another pouch again. So the same brand. Okay, and this is the joy grip, also another for the Joy-Con. If you want to play multiplayer, so you can use this one also, a Joy-Con, right? So nice pair of Joy-Con grip over here. So nice one. And where do I put this one is I also put this one right here, and it's also I just have to put it like that. So and then to put it, and then also next is to put that one over there. So and then close it up, and then there it goes. Good to go. And yes, very good and nice. So since I don't have any more boxes that I can put all of my all of my accessories. So I just have to get this one also, but it is also a cheaper one. So I thought the brand of this is Tote, right? So Tote Max, okay, just a Tote, okay. And then here we go to the next one. So here we go and go to the next one right over here, and then right over here is all of my cable, okay, USB charging cable and USB charger, right? So gonna go open this up. So this is so gonna be not so okay. The zipper is broken, and this is the fast charging, and this is Acome. So the total is the 5 volts to 3A maximum, right? There it goes. And then it is a flippable one also that you can cut there, and then there it goes. And there are two, so the USB A and also USB-C, and there's an LED light over there. So just okay. And the next is we're gonna go some get, and this is for my Pro controller right here. Okay, this is for my Pro controller. And right here is, what is this one? So it is for my 8-bit do light controller, okay. This is for my, okay, you can see 8-bit do light, okay. I just put some label on it. So, and also the next is right here. What is this one? Okay, this is for the Pokeball, for my Pokeball earbuds. So I just have to put it right over here since I don't have you know. So next is also I have this, I think this is from my Advance SP. This is from my Game Boy, this is for my Game Boy Advance SP, right? And then also I think this is for the 3DS, okay. I think it's for the 3DS, right? Okay, this is for the 3DS. And then also we've got some, I think this one right here is for the DSi, okay. Yes, I think it's for the DSi, okay. And then this also is for the Nintendo 3DS variety. So as you can see, there's a label on it. And it's also right over here is from the 8-bit do controller. Oh, okay, I forgot. So it's because I have also an 8-bit too, and also I also have an 8-bit do light, right? So okay, and then another type C. So I forgot for what is this. So I think an extra, and this is the box for the battery for the GBA. So this is the first battery, and then also I just have to replace it with a new, is because it's bloated. The battery is bloated already, right? So as you can see, it's bloated. So I can feel it. That it's bloated, right? Okay, and then also okay, there you go. And how do I put this one? Okay, how do I put this all in this case? So I just have to in this pouch. So I just have to put it right there, and then also have to put it like that. Then I just have to put it right over here, and then all of the USB cables is you have to put it just in order, right? So in order to put that one, okay. So and then here it goes, and then this is because since this is just too small, right? So but still I can put this all over here. So and then this one right over here is the all controller at the top. It's because that is the controller for the Pro controller, and then also the charger, the charging brick. And then I'm gonna close it up, and then this is because the zipper is broken, so here it goes. And then how do I keep organize all of this one over right here? So okay, so on to the last one. Okay, on to the last one is I have this case over here, and also okay, okay, there it goes. And this, okay, I'm gonna opening it up, right? So opening it up, and then here it goes. And also right over here, so I have this for the Joy-Con, in which you can put this in the Joy-Con and you can play multiplayer mode of this one right over here. So nice one also, and I really like this one. Playing Pokemon Let's Go, and this also you know, right here. So right, so this is a good one also. And then where I put all of my thumb grips over here, so I have to put all of my thumb grips. Okay, and then this one right here is still thumb grips. And then also I have this wipes. I'm not sure if it's still gonna work that out. And then also got some, this one right here, still in a pack, right? And then extra pack. Okay, and then it goes another Pokemon right over here. And then also Bluetooth dongle for the controller. And then it is a PO. Okay, I think this is from the Nintendo Switch Lite when I bought the Nintendo Switch Lite. So this is a free. Okay, and then also got some right over here, and big thumb grip, right? So this, okay, big thumb grip over here. So and then another pair of it. So as you can see, another pair, right? And then as also another pair of this one. This is the medium, and this a large also. And this is the, yes, another medium, right? Another medium. And then also the small one, right? Okay, we've got the small one right over here. So as you can see, this is the small one. And then I think one, okay, it's not good. Okay, and also got some another Pikachu in EV right over here. And then also some, okay, right? And then Mario and Luigi. And then got some paw print over here, the blue one. So I think that is missing something. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put this paw print in here, since it is not, it doesn't have the pair, it doesn't have the one pair of it. So there it goes. Okay, and then some extra. Okay, there it goes. Okay, so I think you know, paw print. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. This is the paw print. So and then there it goes. And then you're gonna put that over here. So I think I'm gonna have to put this Mario and Luigi right over here. So I'm gonna have to put that Mario and Luigi right over this mini pouch, right? So and then there it goes, right? And then here it goes. And then some extra one right over here. So how do I put this one? I'm gonna put that one over here, and then right there. And then also gonna put another one right here, and then also the extra. Okay, we've got some extra, and then nice over here. So I think gonna be put that right over here. And then all of the, I think this one is this one right here is, I'm gonna put this one right here in the, okay, here it goes, here in the Pokemon. Okay, so I think I have I think I have eight. Oh, I think I have four. Uh, I think I have four. Oh, I think yes. I think so. I think I have eight pair of this one. I think I have pair of this one also, and then gonna be put that right over here, and then also this one, and then all of the thumb grips gonna be put down right there, and then there it goes, and then this one right here, and this one gonna be put that right over here. So and then here it goes, put that and then in a box, right? Okay, this one also nice one. Okay, okay, how do I keep manage it, put it right back over there? So okay, so I think that's it. Okay, that's it for the for my you know, how do I keep it organized, all of my Nintendo Switch accessories, Nintendo Switch Lite accessories. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs, and also thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then also click that notification bell always so that you're notified of upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos, and see you again on my next video.